today I'm going to announce, number one, Henry Alcantara, effective today, is dismissed from the... Ngayon, he suspended it. Okay, he is now dismissed. I will call for a summary dismissal of Henry Alcantara. And next week, I will ask the DPWH legal to recommend filing charges, the appropriate charges against Henry Alcantara.
Criminal?
Whatever, well, obviously criminal to. No, criminal to. I mean, pag nanakaw ito 100 million. 100 million. 100 million. So si Henry Alcantara, dismissed, and we will recommend filing of charges with the Ombudsman. Bryce Fernandez, JP Mendoza, I will already begin proceedings of dismissal. No, may proseso tayo dyan, kailangan nating sundin yan. Pero sisimulan na natin yan at hindi ako magtataka na madidismiss na rin to very, very soon. Pero hindi na natin hihintayin yun. Papafilean na rin natin kasabay ni Henry Alcantara ng appropriate charges sa Office of the Ombudsman. So I will order the DPWH legal team to already prepare the necessary recommendations supported by documents such as this, no, to file the appropriate charges against them. This is this is criminal. Mga hayop to mga taon to, hindi tao to mga to. Isa pa lang to, by the way. Isang project pa lang to. Finally, no, I will also order the perpetual lifetime blacklisting of Wawaw builders from DPWH and all their possible affiliates. No, alam naman natin, minsan may mga kung sino man ang may-ari ng Wawaw, meron din siyang mga ibang lahat 'yon. Hindi lang kung mahanap namin yung mga kumpanya na sila din ang may-ari, kung sino ang may-ari ng Wawaw, pati 'yon papaban natin. Papaban ko na rin, i-announce ko na rin, papaban din natin kasabay ng Wawaw yung SYMS, yung SIMS na gumawa ng proyekto na nakita ng ating Pangulo nung nakaraang mga linggo na ghost project din. Sinabi natin, no, pag ghost project, kailangan automatic perpetual ban, lifetime. And then second, we will also recommend the filing of charges with the Department of Justice against Wawaw builders and against SIMS and all the people involved here, both those who are clearly dummies and the real owners or the beneficial owners, depending on the investigation of the DOJ. No, and later on, maybe the independent commission to be formed by the President. But let me just end with this. No, the President has repeatedly said, and this was his clear marching orders to me, that we must not allow this to happen anymore.